Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video I will show you best breakout stocks for short term trading. So let's start this video. So the first stock is Maharashtra Scooter. This is the monthly time frame. In this stock, these are the resistance area and the stock has been rejected 2 times, and now the stock is in consolidation in that zone. So let's move in smaller time frame, that is 30 minutes. So here is a 30-minute time frame of Maharashtra Scooter. This is a classical triangle pattern. Okay, this is the classical triangle pattern. Here is the first touch, the second touch, and in the lower part, this is the first one, second one, and third one. The stock now is preparing to break at this level. Okay, if this level got broken, then we can see the up move journey of this stock. So this is also a very important stock for short term perspective. So our entry should be here at this level after the breakout, and our stop loss should be here at this level. Our target 1:2 or 1:3. Okay, so this is the first stock. Let's move to the next stock. So this is a chart of Tata Investment. The time frame is 2 hours. This is also a example of classical triangle pattern. This is the upper part and this is the lower part. Okay, the stock created, here is the resistance zone, this is the first touch, this is the second touch, and the third one, and now the stock is breaking by this green candle. Okay, and then lower part, here is the first and here is the second support. So after the breakout at this area, the stock has now retesting the trend line. So if we find here another big candle, then we should enter at this level, at the high of this candle. Okay, and our stop loss is this area. This is the area of our stop loss, and the target 1:2 or 1:3. We should expect this type of return from this stock. So these are the two stocks that are capable to give returns. So this video ends here. We will see you in the next video.